Hi everyone. I am going to share a tutorial with you on a couple different ways on how to use Padlet with your students through Canvas. Now you can use it in a page or an assignment for response and to sign up for groups. You can use it for a way for students to brainstorm. With my seventh grade students, I used it to brainstorm. So I'm going to show you how that looked. I'm going to actually create a page. Um, and add this. And we're going to open the brainstorming here after it's been added. I'm going to go ahead and open the edit pane. And then I'm going to come over here to my Padlet dashboard. We did a brainstorming session in seventh grade on what kind of internet resources they could use to plan a party. Now, to embed it, I clicked on these three dots, click on share and export, and then I click on embed. You get your link, your embed code down here. And then to embed it into Canvas, you have to go to your HTML screen and paste, and then open it up. Now, once it has been saved and published, your students can work on the Padlet right here in Canvas. This way you can keep the brainstorming and the participation parts of discussions right here in Canvas for you to look at and gauge on engagement and their participation. Just like that. And I forgot, I do ask them to put their name in the subject line so I can keep track of who is um, responding. That way I know who has actually participated and to what degree. Now, you can embed Padlets for any reason that would work for you. Another way I used Padlets was I used it as an assignment. They had to, their group had to create a Padlet on which they could collaborate and come up with ideas on building a structure with minimal supplies. So the way that looked, again, I'm going to create an assignment. Um, and for this, when I went to edit, of course, I put all the instructions up here. But for the submission, I went down here and I clicked on online and I did text entry because I've never used the website URL, but you could probably do that too. But I used text entry, and that meant what they did was they copied and pasted the URL or web address for their Padlet that they collaborated on. I believe you could probably use the web URL box also. I just had never used that, didn't know how it was going to look, so I went with something that I knew how it worked. But that is your tutorial. That's how you can use one of those external tools to encourage engagement, to get them to collaborate and respond to each other.